EP3's off to a new home. And we got it. And I'm about to head out. Got this 95 Civic. You'll see more of it. I gotta go. And it is raining already on us. There he goes. Alright. Let me go. Hi people. We out here with the Civic. See the boost gauge, air fuel ratio. You know how to put the NRG in, but it does have a energy quick release. Hear the click. Ooh, the bell sound. It's on there. Alright, so getting fired up and heading out. Pretty clean, no cracks in the dash. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it fired up. Wrong key. Door key. I'm up. Yeah. Let's get it. I'll be doing a full tune-up, you know, going through the car. You know, I got some tightening up, but overall, it's really good. It's got a small exhaust leak. I think it's the flex. Ain't nothing new for us, right? Let's get to it. Zeppo works. What's up, people? Jacob here again. Another Zeppo Works video for you. You see me? I'm up in AG again. So, I mean, what can I say? I wasn't really planning to get rid of the EP3, you know, but I had was just looking up on OfferUp and stuff, and I came across this EG hatch. You know, and the dude posted up they would do trade and whatnot. So I hit up homeboy, and he was supposed to meet up and whatnot, you know, so I make sure I had the title ready, everything ready to go and whatnot. And the dude wanted to see pictures of the car, the EP3. And I was like, yo, I'll send me your number, I'll send you the pictures. Well, he was real hesitant on that. So I ended up posting the EP3 on OfferUp. And lo and behold, me and that dude, it just fell through, and we never met up or nothing. You know, he never hit me up or nothing either. And like a day later, I was supposed to meet up with the dude, the guy that owned this right here, Remy. He hit me, you know. And I seen his posting, but you know, I don't know. I was looking for a hatch. You know, I love the EG platform. So the coupe, I've had a coupe before, the EX, just like this. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get some pictures of that. But yeah, this is the car, and it's really dope. Good trade, you know. I mean, EP3 was newer and whatnot, you know, K-series and stuff like that. But you know, this has got its pluses and everything too. This has got real nice paint. Just redone, sprayed. There's suspension on it. I'll be showing what that is soon. I should go through the whole thing. Yeah, turbo, real nice build. I mean, sheepy manifold, precision turbo. I'll be, you know, running numbers, size, and everything on that. Precision intercooler as well. The piping looks like 2 1/4, maybe 2 1/2. It is on Honda S300 version 3. It's on tune, about 250 horse. It's got full exhaust, 2 1/2. it's a real nice build, and I'm just gonna take it from here where he left off, and we're gonna go further with this, go through it, do a couple upgrades, do this and that, put my touch on it, what I do, and we're gonna be going to the track. We're gonna hit the drag strip. We're gonna be doing that very soon, and I'm gonna check into this road course over here, that Tampa Motor Enclave. So that's the F1 style track. See if I can get with the owner, maybe set something up, what I'm saying? I'll find out about the fun days and stuff like that. Maybe I can, do a little Honda Expo, because I've seen on that, they do those power tours, and they run all the cars on the track, so you pay the entrance into the show, and then you got free reign to just hop on the track and just do laps, none time, just people running, cruising around, whatnot, through the turns, and then, straightaways they get it. So maybe I could, maybe get something like that popping out. You never know, But stay tuned for more. A lot more coming up on the EG. Yeah, Zeppo works. Oh, yeah.